Hey, what's up guys? Thank you very much for joining. Today we're going to go over Redbird by Goose. In this version I picked up from another Ourobolo live video, which I will go ahead and post below so you guys can check that out. Like I said before, I really like learning some of these songs from the Ourobolo versions, just because it's stripped down, and especially playing acoustic solo. I think there's a lot of good stuff you can pick up from those versions. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell for notifications. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are returning, you already know. Let's go ahead and hop in. Okay, so for Redbird, so this version specifically, which I think sounds really great on an acoustic, we're going to go with capo on the 3rd fret. And we're going to use all open chords here, so this will make this song a little bit easier to play. Not very many chords either, and all relative. Everything's pretty standard here. So we've got an A minor, got a C, got an E minor, and a D, and that's it. Those are the only chords. So I got 4 chords in this song. So I'm going to play through the intro verse here. Okay, really fun little open chords and little riffs you can throw in there. Okay, so start with the A minor. And then we're going with 2 strums here on the 2nd fret of the A and to the 3rd fret of the A, which is going to lead you to your C. So it's a little walk down into your C. Alright, and after your C, sorry, you're going to hit 3rd fret of that A, open D, which leads you to your E minor. So okay, then from your E minor, you're going to hit that 2nd fret here of the A. Again, open D into your D chord. Okay, so and then from this D, we're just doing a quick little slide here back to your A minor. So that's 2nd fret, again, A string, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, back to the 2nd fret, open, A minor. So okay, and that will repeat for the verse, and then the chorus is E minor, D, A minor, E minor, D, A minor, E minor, D, C, D, A minor. All right, and that is pretty much it. It's just, like I said, 4 chords. It's relatively straightforward. It's a really pretty song. It's a great acoustic song to pick up. I hope this helps you guys out. Please leave me feedback, comments below. See you guys again soon.